Yes, this is me, only the bar, right? Now, the old fella down around Merseyside trying to knock the big man again. Going against his own old people again for our strangers, like you done before in so country. Now you, Billy, in Scotland, right? My brother rip you to pieces. Simple as, that'll be how it is. Now another thing, now, it's a man here to fight any other man. Now listen, you wanted to fight the best one. Now listen, I want to fight the best one of you McVee's bastards. That is it. A country man from Scotland driving around in Irishman's pickups with the bodies done as an Irishman. All fairness now, you know more about cutting a fucking tree down. Let's be honest, yeah? Now, calling names this and that, you'll never forget what you got that education about your monoblocking. You come from a fucking Irishman. Now, get your ass back down, right? Now, never mind about the innocent boy from Birdie, from St. Helens. Listen, he's not a bar. My grandfather's alive today. Hey, he disowned him. That's it. He's Winkle Smith. Simple as. Now, Birdie, I'm getting fed up of you, Shannon. Yeah, my father ain't getting fed up of you. Birdie, what the fuck do you want to do about it? What the fuck do you want to do about it? You, Billy. Any one of you. Short proper fame hit payment, man, out. One man down the road each time. Have this. Right? Simple as. And get it over and done with. Now, simple as, Birdie, you're a pussy. You'll always will be a pussy. Your brother-in-law bet the face you that I went down to beat him. Scotman, you hid in Bathgate fucking the toilets. And your father got run down the road by police escort. You scummy bastard, you. Get it on, McVee. I give you McVee. Fucking Irishman. Celtic warrior. Get it on. You fucking atheist bastard.